I don't think I will be able to do it very nicely, so we'll see. Having a cool looking wood grain on a project is great, but having an additional carving on that is priceless. And it's really not that hard to do, way simpler than what you may think, and it doesn't really require any expensive tools, CNCs or any laser cutters. For small carvings, you just need a printed out template, just search some Google images for something cool, and a few knives. If you have a good set of carving gouges, it would be a plus, but even those are not really required. You can do a lot of things with just a cheap set or even with a pocket knife. Honestly, I haven't done that much carving myself, and every project I'm doing is an experiment and learning experience, so this one is not an exception. For this one, I picked a template that has varying line widths, so may not be as efficiently done with my favorite V-gouge. Therefore, I started with just using a paring knife. Again, this type of carving is really nothing special and can be a really cool activity with your kids. Of course, under supervision, as tools are really sharp. You basically need to carefully follow the line, applying reasonably consistent pressure and get out all the waste. Steady hands, pressure, careful move, and process repeats itself many times for each of the marked lines. The more complicated the template is, the more time you would need to spend on carving, but again, it's just a quite repetitive process of careful carving. One note though, when doing freehand, for example without a carving mallet, it's quite easy to slip and cut way beyond the line. But even that is not super catastrophic. Just consider it's a specialist customization of the carving design, and that's it. Unless you intentionally point out people to the mistakes, they are not that visible. And it is the overall view and appreciation of the whole project that matters in the end. Overall, this small work took me about 20 minutes to do, but it really gives such a unique look to the bookstand. And not sure the bookstand really needs it, but I'm sure kids will really like to use this one, maybe with some ebooks or their phones, who use the actual books nowadays. And that's it. With this video, I really just wanted to encourage you to try wood carving if you never considered one or are hesitant to try. Same as I was inspired to try by James Wright from Wood by Wright channel. So I hope you like this video, and I will appreciate if you click the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and maybe click on that bell icon to get notification about new videos. Bye.